Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ranga here, and in this video I will tell you how to change your serial ATA operation mode from RAID to AHCI mode without losing any files or without losing the pre-installed Windows operating system in your computer, guys. So make sure you watch the video till the end and do the steps as I say here. And also guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, hit on the subscribe button, and if you end up liking this video, hit on the like button without fail. Now let's head into the video. So guys, here is my laptop as you can see. And guys, before doing the actual process, we need to do two more steps, guys. First, open the command prompt and click on run as administrator option. And once command prompt opens, type this command which is right here. And click on the enter, guys. And it will tell the operation completed successfully, guys. Now once this happens, click on the close button and just close the command prompt. By this command, guys, I am telling computer to boot in safe boot mode when I restart it. This is just a precautionary measure, but it is advised to do it. And guys, if your computer is using the Intel Optane memory, go here and search for Intel. And you will get this one, guys, and open it. I have already opened it here. And guys, as I said, I have already changed my operation mode from RAID to AHCI. But if you have not yet changed from RAID to AHCI, here actually you will get one more option telling Intel Optane memory. Click on that Intel Optane memory, guys, and below that you will have a button to disable it. Click on that disable and it will ask you that it may delete all the files or things. Guys, now don't panic, guys, it will not delete any file or it will not delete the Windows. Just click on yes and then reboot your system. It will take quite some time to reboot again, but it will reboot and the system will open properly without any problem, guys. If you do not have the Intel Optane memory, you need not do this step, but for those who has Intel Optane memory in their computer, they have to do this step. Now guys, once you do these two steps, now go to the start menu and click on restart. Now actually let's wait for the computer to restart, guys. And when your computer restarts, you should enter into the BIOS menu, guys. Let me show you how to do that. Depending upon which brand you have, different keys will be used to enter BIOS menu, guys. Like now I am having the Dell laptop. So in Dell F12, F2 is used to enter the BIOS. However, if you have any other brand, it will differ again. So depending upon the brand which you use, you will have different keys to enter the BIOS setup. So guys, now you can see I am entering the BIOS and here it comes, guys. Now I am going here to the system configuration and here is the SATA operation as you can see. Guys, as I said, I have already changed from RAID on to AHCI. By default it will be on the RAID on option, and when you click to change from AHCI option, it will actually tell it may delete all the Windows files, but guys, nothing of that sort will happen. Don't panic again, just click on yes and then click on apply here and then just exit the command BIOS menu, guys. And once you exit the BIOS menu, your computer will boot up normally, guys. For the first time when you boot up in the AHCI settings, it will take quite some time to boot up, but in consecutive next, second or third boot, it will just boot up normally without any problems. So guys, my computer has restarted now and it is asking for the password as you can see. Let me actually type the password. And guys, as we actually set the computer to safe boot, it is in the safe boot mode here as you can see, it is telling here safe mode. Now actually we need to exit from this safe mode, guys. Again go here to the command prompt and click on run as administrator option again. It will take some time to open, guys, because it is the first time it is booting in AHCI. And once it opens, type this command, guys. So here is the command and it is telling the operation has completed successfully again. Now again close the command prompt, guys, and go here to the Windows and just click on restart and wait for your computer to restart guys now. So guys, now I have restarted my computer and it is started normally as you can see. And yes, again it is asking for password. I actually scanned my fingerprint guys, so it opened. And now you can see my computer has opened in normal mode and not in the safe boot mode. So that's all guys. Now you have successfully changed from RAID to AHCI mode. Now use your computer and do whatever you want. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope this video would have been helpful and useful for you. If you like this video guys, hit on the like button and also do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hope to meet you in my next video guys. Till then, thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.